LISET believes in holistic development of the students, and we strongly believe that they should have hands-on experience on these machines. So this tubular model is developed for experiential learning, and the students can see all the circuits very clearly in this model.
This is an experiential learning model of an automotive car. Here what we have done is we have taken a car, that is Maruti 800, and we have removed the covers wherever possible so that all the systems, whatever is available in an automotive car, can be functionally visible for the students to understand. For example, we can see here the ignition system, the entire ignition system with the circuit is functionally visible to the student. We can see the cooling system with the radiator and the cooling circuits are visible. We can see the starting system is visible. Then we got charging circuits, we got suspensions, we got the steering system, and we got other electrical supply circuit and the connected system, induction and exhaust manifold. Then we got the lighting systems, then the front wheel drive assembly, brake systems, and then the rear wheel assembly and the brake systems, and the fuel supply system. So the entire system of the car is now functionally visible to the students, so that the students can easily understand the functional aspects of the entire car, and this will create the curiosity and the interest among the students to go further on innovation.